Sorry about that. My phone is being stupid. Oh my gosh, you have to go through a rope. I did catch him. My dad is over there, guys. So he's freaking out. Here's my dad. Spooked. There we go. I'm not gonna grab my Segway just because he's not used to my Segway. So here he is. Where's his baby? We're walking up to the trailer. It's right up here. I gotta get the keys out of my dad's truck. So we'll do that. Come on. He's literally pulling. He doesn't want to do this. So he normally doesn't get rode. So it's new for him. It's really not new. But he just doesn't get rode that often. Oh. Come here, big boy. I'm gonna watch me tie it with one hand, guys. So I normally don't tie it with one hand, but I am going to. Just because I'm holding a camera. But I guess I'll see y'all after I tie this. Watch this video. Sorry, I'm back. Like here, when y'all watch this video, it's probably gonna make a different timing. But he's sitting over there eating. I don't know anything. But with what was happening earlier with my camera going off and on, it was just I'm right here. This is her name. Look at him. I cut his hair. See, I cut his forelock and then his tail. It's also cut because his way. This is bent. His key has been through some stories. Okay. Got my brushes. I'm just gonna brush through his mane because it looks knotted. Just brushing his mane right now. So no, guys, I don't have my sister with me to help actually film this one because because she's at my grandparents' house. So, guys, I gotta cut that piece that's right there. But I think just because he's not that bad, I need to brush him down a little bit. Good boy for relaxing. You relax for me here, shitty. So after my ride, I'm not gonna do a long one. I'm not gonna film the whole ride. This is how long the ride's gonna be. But I am gonna film a short. That's not gonna be that long of me brushing him off, trying to get some hair off of him. But he's pretty clean for right now. Do not mind me. I was playing with stuff last night. I'm gonna tell you a story, but last night I was feeding my horses and our baby, my sibling came. My sister that wants to start barrel racing came. So I'm gonna be attacking him. You might not be able to see because of his big fat head. But my sister came and she was with us. And my baby boy. You'll know him. But y'all know my baby boy. I talk about him all the time. He's friendly too. Hey. You better not know. So, yes, guys, don't know why he's moving so much here. He's coming back. My dogs are back there barking. Whoa. Too far. Oh crap, I thought this was going on all the way. I'll see y'all after I tack him up. I tacked up. It took a lot longer than I thought it would. So y'all gonna go in this bag and then I'll grab y'all when I get on him. This bag right here. Check out on. I don't know if you can really see him because of the okay, I get you. Because of the okay, there you go. That's better. But he looks so gorgeous. He's an amazing boy. I love this boy. He's my baby. Today we're just going to be doing some simple work on him, so it might get a little boring since I'm not going to film all me. I think first we're just going to walk him around, so I think I'm going to walk him to the ditch and turn him around. Just get him walking. Get him moving. Stretch out. We don't need to do that much work today. Just need to do something easy and settled. It looks like he's trotting, you guys, but he is not trotting, okay? I swear, he's not trotting. He is literally walking. That's how bobbly his head is. It's a bobble monster. Look at his field. It's so black. The rest is grass. So after I ride, I will let him sit out here. I will let him sit out here after. And I can ride him one hand. So I'm going to ride him and get his spicy out of him for a little bit. And then I'll see you after that. Really windy out here right now. And I was trying to get him to go, and so we're taking a little break. It's getting really windy out here. Like, really windy. Just look at his mane. I don't know if it's getting hot on the rains, but it's windy. Sometimes windy, so let's skip things. Look at these trees. It is so windy. And you will not move. Oh my gosh. How much windy this is? And my shirt over here flowing. This over here. The barrel was waving. It was moving earlier. I will get my dad over here. Go. This is him making a little bratty stuff. See? It's moving, bro. His barrel's actually moving. Like, hair is flapping around, so is my hair. I mean, this roof of this is down. The trees are going crazy. It's a windy day. Okay, I fell down like that because I had to go grab his reins. Because he just head down. But I want to go in there and walk around, but he will not. You can't do this when you go to the show on Sunday. Stop. Okay guys, so I was just going to be the video because I cannot get him to do anything, so maybe if I keep working. I wish this was longer, but I will film more videos on this weekend and throughout, and I don't know. Crap, it's so windy! Oh, okay. But yeah. Bye guys, thanks for watching. I know this is short, but still. Bye bye.